In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Clip Studio Paint. Now, there's two ways to do this. You could do it on the website or inside the app. So if you want to go to the website, you can simply click on the buy button up top right on their official website. And then from here, you'll be able to go to the purchase tab. And here you can basically see how to get started. You can see the upgrades. You can see it for education and enterprise, etc. So that's the first way. But of course, if you are currently using the free trial or something like this, for example, here I'm on a free trial, you could just go to the help tab up top, and from here you can click on buy Clip Studio Paint. So when you click on this, it's going to open up a separate tab here inside your Clip Studio, and as you can see here, you could go ahead and view plans or try it for free. So here you can of course click on view available plans or view plans, and it's going to show you all the plans that they have. Now this will load for a few seconds, and then you can make a purchase from here and buy Clip Studio Paint that way. Okay, so in a few seconds, there we go, this is going to load. As you can see here, you have like a bunch of different plans here. You can just click on the purchase button, and this will allow you to essentially purchase that specific plan. So it's usually going to direct you to their website. So as you can see over here, it actually opened up this when I clicked on purchase, and then from here you'll be able to basically select everything, and then you'll be able to enter in your card information and buy Clip Studio Paint that way. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.